Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching all sorts of monthly subscription boxes, product reviews, makeup, some travel and adventure videos at times, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is totally free. Make sure that you are also clicking on that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you are automatically notified. If you are already subscribed to my channel, then welcome back. Really appreciate your support. And with that said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Today, I will be unboxing this awesome box. Where are all my hairdressers, my styling beauties at? Because we are getting ready to reveal what's inside this box. So this is called the LA Styling Box. They are based in Canada. And she is the sweetest person you can ever meet. With that said, guys, everything else that you need to know, I will leave on the description down below for you. This is called the customizable box. So I was able to customize my box, which you can as well. You can choose to customize your box, or you can choose to subscribe to the monthly subscription box that they offer, which they offer different ones, okay? Different types of hair, just different boxes that they have. Okay, so with that said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So let me get that out of the way and this out the way. Look how cute that is. I was able to choose 2 hair products, 2 hair accessories, 1 beauty product, and 1 surprise. So that's what we will be seeing in my box. And I also have a code for you guys, which is going to be Yvette 15. You receive 15% off your first box. So it's going to be YVETTE 15, and I will leave that on the description down below for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Look how cute this is. I love it. Can't wait to see what's inside my box. So again, guys, this is a styling box. Oh, I didn't want to break the sticker. Okay. Okay, and first, let me show you guys this here, because I believe these are probably the stuff that are inside my box. So I have a protector, I have a lip exfoliant, and probably 2 of my items that are inside my box. Okay. So here we go. This is the first item on my box, and it's just thank you for reviewing the box. And let's take this out the way. Ooh, my box is full of goodies. So the first item that I take on my box is going to be some hair scrunchies, and I love the colors. Look how beautiful the colors are. The material is of a satin material, and I love that because it does not break your hair. And again, the colors are beautiful. Next up, we have a face of cloth. So this is for your face. It comes in this really nice pouch here. So here we go. It's so nice and soft, guys. So nice and soft. And that is the brand. And I love the color pink. And this came out the box, which is fine. So this is a lip product, because that's what I wanted. So it's a lipstick, and it's highly pigmented. And it is the exfoliant that we first saw on that paper. And look how pretty. I love the outside decor, and it's from Clandestine Cosmetics. Look how pretty that is. Love the outside decor. That's what it looks like. So cute. Okay, next up we have something else for my hair. This is probably my surprise. It's probably this, or the other scrunchies are probably my surprise gift. I don't know which one it is, but look how beautiful this is, guys. This is so beautiful now for the summer, for the beach. Put your hair in a ponytail and then wear your beach hat. This is absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have, ooh, this is what I wanted to get into. So we have a daily shampoo. So this is for the brand is Loma, and it just says it's a daily shampoo for all hair types. It's specially for fine to normal. So that's another thing you do have to, they do ask for your, so you have to like fill out like a little profile information. That way they know exactly what to send you. So this is my shampoo, which I am glad because I am running out of shampoo. My next item is going to be this from Joico or Joiso. It says the Dream Blowout. It's a thermal protection cream. Ooh, love that because I do flat iron my hair a lot. So this is going to be awesome. Ooh, so look, it's a nice cream. Smells so good. It smells delicious. I cannot wait to try this. And this is all my items in my box, guys. So I received the Dream Blowout, the shampoo, something for my lips because that's what I chose. You can choose. You can also choose nails if you wish. I received this beautiful. Oh my God, this hair accessory is so nice. I received the face cloth, and it has like little. It has a little hanging strip here that you can just hang, and it came in this cute little pouch. And I received the satin fabric scrunchies, which the colors are so beautiful. I love them. So this is it for my box, guys. Make sure that you are following me on my Instagram at My Subscription Obsession. That way you guys will be able to see more pictures, a closer look of the items that I unbox on my channel. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.